debunking Awolowo's alleged plea to divide Nigeria. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's been making the rounds online. The claim that Awolowo, Obafemi Awolowo, the Yoruba chieftain, the Yoruba leader who is a prominent Nigerian nationalist, and it's also a statement that he once asked Nnamdi Azikiwe, another leading figure in Nigeria's fight for independence, to divide the country. According to this claim, Azikiwe reportedly refused, insisting that Nigeria must be one. And this particular claim has sparked considerable debate. So let's examine it closely to uncover the truth. We'll not waste your time as we look at that. Now, here is the claim. The claim goes that Awolowo, a key player in Nigeria's independence movement, wanted to see the country divided. But Azikiwe opposed this idea. But is there any truth to the story? Let's delve into the evidence. Now, Awolowo's action. If Awolowo had indeed wished to split Nigeria, why didn't he act on it when Ojukwu declared Biafra? Remember, Awolowo was close to Ojukwu somehow, and even advised him during the Biafran secession. He said, if the Igbos succeed, we too will succeed. So it seems unlikely that Awolowo would have both advocated for a division and failed to act on it when there is an opportunity. Imagine, as at that time Biafra decided to pull out, that Oduduwa also decided to pull out. Nigeria will be fighting on two fronts. Splitting will be easy. So if Awolowo truly wanted a division from the start, and it was Azikiwe that stopped him, why didn't he make that move when Ojukwu also tried to break up or break away the Biafran side from Nigeria? So it is right to say Awolowo was a staunch advocate for Nigeria to remain as it is. And maybe he dedicated much of his time promoting it. If he has another agenda of breaking it, we would have seen it. Now, the other thing to look at is the Yoruba media. They are the ones, as at that point in time, it was the Yoruba media that were shaping things. No, there was no social media, and the media, the publications, mostly the print media and the radio, is in the hands of the Yoruba. They controlled it. So many things were being shunned out. People received what they had. It's not like today that so much advancement has happened. So the Yoruba media in particular has sometimes been accused of spreading propaganda to sway opinions. This claim might have been fabricated, or that the claim that Awolowo wanted to divide and Azikiwe said no. It must have been fabricated or exaggerated. There is no such thing. Awolowo never wished for division. In fact, he wants to have a shot at. Now let's look at the historical context. Understanding historical events will require a nuanced approach. The narrative that Awolowo pleaded for Nigeria's division doesn't align with the historical context of his documented actions. So by carefully examining the evidence and considering the broader historical backdrop, we can see that this claim lacks credibility. So in conclusion, The assertion that Awolowo sought to divide Nigeria appears to be a myth without substantial evidence. It's crucial to avoid spreading misinformation and focus on, for those who still want unity, na dem sabi. So the Yoruba people should stop telling us Awolowo wanted to spread, but Zik, our brother, refused. There was no time. He made such demand. He wanted to remain with Nigeria. That is as simple as that. Let's go with that based on the context of this discussion. If you want to talk something else or discuss something else, we know. But based on that particular issue, Awolowo, if he has actually made up his mind that division is better, why didn't he do it when opportunity came? Because it will not be easy for Nigeria to be fighting Biafra and to be fighting the Southwest, maybe Oduduwa, Republic of the Southwest. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.